Today, my friends at Homura Knives have sent me one of their products and I'm really keen to have a look. How awesome is this? The knife is protected in a leather pouch, which 1 protects the knife, keeps it sharp, 2 protects your little fingers from the knife when you're not using it. This knife looks like it would take your hand clean off. Handcrafted and hand sharpened by people that have 30 years experience in the craft. These guys are so confident with the product, they're giving you a lifetime guarantee with this knife. If you're not happy with it, or if there's an issue with it, they're going to sort it out ASAP. It's comfortable, it's well balanced, and they guarantee its sharpness. I'm really keen to get this into my kitchen for 1 week to see how it goes.